Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful boning head piece. If you don't know how I achieved this wrapping of my boning and the shape, then you should click on the link showing on your screen right now and watch it. So right now, I have some parts of my bias. I have UHU gum. I have B6000 gum. I have some flowers, 2-in-1 roses, and then I have this my boning. Now see how I'm going to do this. Can you see how I bent it? Now I'll use part of my bias to hold it down very well. I'll be using this glue, but at the end of the day, I realized that it wasn't as strong as my UHU. So I probably bought a fake one, or it is just not giving me the vibe that I need. So while I tried to use it, it wasn't firm enough. And I love my piece, my headpiece, my fascinator. I love it when it's very firm and strong. That's why I prefer to use my needle and thread. And eventually I did. Although I think I didn't capture that part, but I still used my needle and thread to do a neat attachment of my bias to my design. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So it was at this point I decided to let go of my B6000 because it wasn't giving me exactly what I wanted. So just watch and see. When I tried attaching it to my boning, it refused to give a firm grip. So I had to switch to my UHU. You can use your UHU, you can use your hot glue, any of them that is strong. If you have a B6000 that is stronger than mine, fine, you can use it. So this is how I'm attaching the flower to my base, to my fascinator, to my boning, and I'll attach it neatly. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to attach my Alice band. I'll be using some parts of my bias to do this attachment. So watch and learn. Remember to practicalize. So what I eventually did, I used some parts of my flower to cover that back, and this is what we have. Try out yours.